Hello everybody, and welcome to another general vlog video. Today we're putting the second window in the loft. Made a mistake yesterday, which I'll address here in a little bit. I'm sure you guys already know it. So as you can see, I've already pretty much gotten it all framed out. Get you up there where you can see. And now we're just down to getting ready to separate. Even though it's painted red, it's had a bicycle emblem thing on it for a little while, but even though we're down to it being painted red, we're going to get that off the 2x4s and get it cut and get it up there just like we did on the other roof or other window. And I'm not going to bring you guys along for all of it because you have already seen it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and strip this T111 off of the 4x4 or 2x4 frame, and then get it up there, get it marked, get it cut, get it up there, get the window cut out, yada yada yada. And then here in a little bit, I'll explain to you guys what I did wrong yesterday, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, well, with all this red ugliness and all, at least now the lines are matching up. I have not cut out for the window yet. So, as you can see, I got some spaces to fill in. Definitely got to get that done. And then, well, I got to cut out for my window, then get the spaces filled in, then get the window in. I'll explain to you what I did wrong yesterday, and then we'll kind of go from there. If you guys just want to watch, it's going to be loud, but I'll go ahead and show you me cutting it out. I'm going to be a little bit in the way, but there's nothing I can do about that. That was a bad cut. I can clean up my mess. Once again, just like I told you yesterday, never stand on the top rung. Never. I'm not comfortable with this. There's a lot of times I sacrifice safety, and I shouldn't. This is not going to be one of them. Let's see what I can do. up here and clean up my mess. All right. I can almost guarantee you can't do it any sloppier. All right, let me go get some filler pieces cut, and I'll bring you back when all that's done, and then I'll show you the mistake that I made yesterday. All right, so any of you guys that have been watching me for any length of time already know what I did wrong yesterday. I'm not even going to tell you, I'm just going to get up there and do it right on this one. Then I'll tell you. That's all right. I dropped my knife, but I need to get up here and take care of this anyways. So you guys can see what I did wrong, right? So you guys know how this goes. So let me get the rest of it done up there, and I'll bring you guys right back. And then I'll explain to you what I did on the other side. All right, so I got my mess all cleaned up. Let's bring you around over here on this side. You guys don't get to see this side very often. So, like I said, I have a stack of 2x4 U's down here. Forgot I even had those. I told you I made a mistake yesterday. You guys watched me put that window in. You seen how I put it in. I caulked the back side of it. I put a lot of nails in it. Small-headed little nails. Here comes somebody on a motorcycle, so it's going to be loud for a minute. You should have seen me trying to get out of that today. Wow. It was really hard to get that out of there this morning. And that's why it's so late now that I'm doing this video. I just threw 2 nails, that's all I had left, and a couple screws in this window. We'll finish up the caulking and everything tomorrow. I've got the boys tonight, so we've got plans at 5:30. It's getting close to that now. And yeah, I spent probably 2 hours this morning. It took me roughly 3 to 4 hours to put the window in, frame it, everything, caulk it. It took me 2 hours this morning to take it back out, to do it correctly and put it back in. That's embarrassing, but you know what? We all make mistakes. I owned up to it. It's not that huge of a deal. So now that that's done, you've seen I did this one here correct. Now, if you can see, I did not put the nails in all the way. Oh, you guys can't see where I'm pointing to. So I'm going to pull this window back out, and I'm still going to caulk it like I do. And on the other one, I cut that bottom flange down. I may end up doing that on this one, I don't know. But it's in there good enough. Tomorrow we'll get it all caulked and everything, and hopefully from a distance, you won't be able to see that it's, you know, all my lines match. So, straight vertical lines. So once it's all painted, hopefully you won't be able to see it. So anyways, let's get back over here to this side. Oh, get you down here. Today is election day. Still don't know the outcome. Of course, I've been over here working 3 or 4 hours, so they may have already announced a winner, and I don't know it yet, but I still don't know an outcome. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Once you do, smash that bell notification. Go all the way up to the top and click all, so you'll be notified on every single video that we post. Got a lot going on to this shed to house. Do you guys know why I'm fighting really fast to get these windows in? I'm hoping to get this thing painted with this Indian summer. We've got 5, 7, 8 days of really nice weather. I'm hoping to get it painted. So with all that being said, you guys please like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Let's see, I think I've already said comment down below. Follow us on Facebook under General Vlog Video. Share us on your media. Remember that when I ask you to subscribe, it's not like a magazine subscription. It does not cost you a dime, and it's 100% free. It just helps our channel grow the same way a thumbs up does. So with all that being said, and you guys have heard all that mumble jumble a million times before from me, 600 videos. 600 videos. Because tonight's a live stream. So anyways, with all that being said, hope you guys have a great day and even better tomorrow, an awesome night. And remember, I may have remembered to grab my pencil and put it in here so I don't walk off with it. I'm still my own cameraman, which means I got to get up close and personal and gently poke you guys in the ear to turn this thing off. All the windows are in. We'll see you guys on the next video or live stream. Have a super great day, and please, please, please be safe.